In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. By the end, you'll confidently move from Squarespace's Get Started page to your account dashboard, open your site, switch into edit mode, add blocks, and place those blocks on a product page. Start by heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page in a modern browser. This is the doorway to your site building tools. If you see a prompt to sign in, go ahead and do that so your dashboard and sites load correctly. Once you're in, you'll notice a clean interface designed to guide you into building or managing your website. Next, open your account dashboard. You can usually reach it from the profile or account icon at the top corner. Think of the dashboard as your control center. This is where your sites, billing, and settings live. It's the quickest route to everything you manage in Squarespace. Inside the dashboard, look for the Website area and click it. This section brings your websites into focus, showing the ones you own or collaborate on. It's the springboard to get inside your site's configuration and editor. Now, select your website to open its main settings view. You're not editing content yet. This is the hub where navigation, pages, design settings, and other controls sit. It's helpful to pause here and confirm you're in the correct site if you manage more than one. When you're ready to change content, click Edit. This drops you into the visual editor, where you can work directly on the page. Use this mode to hover over sections, see editable areas, and make precise changes. Keep an eye out for on-screen prompts to save as you go, and use the preview tools to check how things look on desktop and mobile. Within the editor, choose a section and click Add Block. Blocks are the building units of a Squarespace page: text, images, video, buttons, forms, code, and more. After adding a block, you can drag it to reorder, adjust spacing, and fine-tune settings like alignment and style. Small tweaks, like consistent headings and balanced margins, go a long way for a polished look. To place blocks on a product page, open your store or product collection inside the editor and navigate to the specific product page. There, use Add Block to enhance the layout. Think extra images, size guides, FAQs, or trust badges. Keep key details high on the page, write scannable descriptions, and add alt text to images for accessibility and SEO. Review on mobile to ensure buttons and text are easy to tap and read. That's it. Follow these steps to build confidently with Squarespace, from dashboard to product pages.